So in today's video, we will discuss about finding the equation of a parabola. For finding the equation of parabola, we usually need two quantities. One is a straight line like this called the directrix, and other is a point called the focus. So any parabola has a directrix and a focus. So by the definition of parabola, if I take a point P on the parabola, it should be such that the distance of this point from the line, that is the distance of the point P from the directrix, must be equal to the distance of the point P from the focus. That is the locus of all points which are equidistant from the directrix and this fixed point focus. That is the parabola. If I draw a parabola, it will be somewhat like this. Suppose if I take another point here, let's say some P dash, then this distance must be equal to this one. Okay. So that's the definition of parabola. Now we will take some examples to find the equation of the parabola. Before that, let me explain how will you find the distance of a point from a line, or distance of a line from a point. If we have a line, this is just a part of finding the equation of a parabola, but we should know this, otherwise it is difficult to solve the equation of parabola. Suppose if I have a point 1, 2 and there is a line called line with equation 3x plus y equal to 4. So to find the distance of this point from the line, always that distance, if I take this as a line, this line must be perpendicular to this line, 3x plus y equal to 4. So in order to find the distance of 1, 2 from this line, what I have to do is I have to first put these two values of x and y in the equation. That is, substituting it, I will get 3 into 1 plus y is actually 2. Take this 4 to the left. Let me write like this, equal to 0, that is minus 4 by, the whole term comes under the modulus, divided by the coefficient of x square of x and y. The coefficient of x here is 3, so 3 square plus coefficient of y is 1 square, the root of the squares of the coefficient of x and y. So this will be the distance of the point from the line. Clear? This is the standard form, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Clear? Now let me take some problem. In our first question, we need to find the equation of a parabola whose focus is 3, 0 and the directrix is x is equal to minus 3. So let me draw a rough figure. We have a line whose equation is x is equal to minus 3, or you better write x plus 3 equal to 0, or in standard form this will be x plus, there is no y, so 0y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the standard form, and we have a point in here, and its value is 0, 3, 0. That's our focus. So let P be any point on the parabola. Let me roughly draw a parabola. Now we have a point A in here. Then by the definition, this PA must be equal to PF. PA must be equal to PF. So like I said, how will you find the distance of the point P to this line? This line is actually x plus 0y plus 3 equal to 0. So first put these 2 points instead of x and y. Here both are same. So PA must be modulus of x plus 0y plus 3 whole divided by, what's the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 1. 1 square plus coefficient of y is 0 square. Modulus is equal to. Here the distance PF is actually a root of x. You can use the distance formula. That is actually root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. The distance between any two points is x2 minus x1 whole square, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In order to remove the square roots, I have to square both sides. So squaring both sides, I'll get x plus 0y plus 3 whole square divided by, see here it is root of 1. Root of 1 square is 1 itself. So this will be, this root will get removed. So x minus 3 whole square, let me erase here, plus y minus 0 whole square, that is square, I'm squaring the square root. So this square root will get removed. Okay, so this will be, I can write this one as x plus 3 whole square itself. No need to write this one because if the denominator is 1, there is no change in the fraction. So this will be, this square and root will get cancelled. So this will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 square is y square itself. Now expanding this, I'll get, you have to expand this using a plus b whole square. So x square plus x into 3 is 3x, 3x into 2 is 6x, 6x plus 9 equal to, here x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square. This is expanded using the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. This one a square plus 2ab plus b square. This one is the a and this one is the b. Now this x square and x square will get cancelled. Also I can cancel the 9. Taking this minus 6 to the right, left, I'll get 6x plus 6x is equal to y square. Or I can write y square is equal to 12x. So this is the equation of this parabola. Now let us take another question. Here we have a parabola whose focus is 0 minus 4 and directrix is y equal to 4. Usually this point is on the y-axis. You can roughly draw in any shape, okay? The equation doesn't change. But actually we know it is on the negative y-axis. So I can take a parabola like this. So the focus is here 0 minus 4 and the line is y equal to 4. So this is equal to y equal to, or I can write y minus 4 equal to 0. And now also I have taken a point P, let it be xy. Then this distance must be equal to this one. That is PA is equal to PF. Like I said before, how will you find, let me write PA is equal to PF. So we already discussed that. How will you find the distance of a point from a line? Let me write this line in the standard form. Here there is no x term. So 0x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So first put these two values in the equation. So modulus of 0x plus y minus 4 divided by, we have the coefficient of x is equal to 0, coefficient of y is 1, 0 square plus 1 square equal to, this distance can be found out using the distance formula. So this will be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay. So in order to remove the square roots, I have to square both sides. So squaring both sides, this will be, see, no need to write 0x. So y minus 4 whole square divided by, this will be root of 1 square is root 1. So root of 1 is 1 itself. Since there is a square, the numerator will get a square. For the denominator also, this square root and a square will get cancelled. I can remove this square. So x minus 0 square is x square itself, plus y minus of minus 4 is y plus 4. Since while squaring, this root will get removed. So on expanding, this will be y square minus 2 into y into 4 is 8y plus 16 equal to x square plus this will be y square plus 8y plus 16. This 16 and 16 will get cancelled. Also, this y square and y square will get cancelled. So x square will be, taking this 8 to the left, it will be minus 8y minus 8y. So x square equal to minus 16y. Now let us take another question. Here we have the focus at 2, 3, and this time we have a equation of the line that has both coefficient for x and y. See, this is the equation of the line, that is 3x plus 4y. Let me take this 12 to the left, so minus 12 equal to 0. So this is the directrix. So I need to find the equation of the parabola. So if I take a point P here, we have, as discussed before, this point is A and this point is F. We have PA is equal to PF. Now the distance of the point, let's say this point B, some xy. So this the distance of the point P to the line P from the line 3x plus 4y minus 12 will be magnitude of 3x plus 4y minus 12 whole divided by root of, the coefficient of x is 3 square plus coefficient of y is 4 square, which is equal to root of this distance. You can find it using distance formula. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So this will be 3x plus 4y minus 12 divided by root of 3 square is 9, 9 plus 16 equal to root of x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So this will be root of 9 plus 16 is root 25, which is equal to 5. So this value will be 5. So 3x plus 4y minus 12 divided by 5 is equal to root of x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So in order to remove the square root, I can square both sides. So squaring both sides, the equation will become this will be 3x plus 4y minus 12 whole square by 5 square is 25 equal to, this square root will get removed. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. This on expansion, you can write it like this: 3x whole square plus 4y whole square plus minus 12 whole square plus, this is just the left hand side. Let me erase this. Uh, 12 square plus 2 into AB, that is 3x into 4y plus 2 into BC, that is 4y into minus 12 plus 2 into AC, that is 3x into minus 12. So this one, this is the expansion of this one, whole divided by 25 will be, on expanding this you will get x square minus 4x plus 4, that is a minus b whole square, plus y square plus 2 into 3 is 6, so minus 6y plus 9. Okay, so further simplifying, you will get, this is 9x square plus 16y square plus this is 144 plus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24, 24xy plus 8y, sorry, 8 into minus 12 is minus 96y minus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 12 is minus 72, minus 72x is equal to x square minus 4x, this 4 and 9 will, see there is a 25 here. Okay, I can take that 25 to the right, so this will be 4x, this 4 plus 9 is plus 13 plus y square minus 6y into 25. Okay, this 25 is taken to the right. So this will be 9x square plus 16y square plus 144 plus 24xy minus 96y minus 72x equal to 25 into x is, x square is 25x square minus 100x plus 13 into 25 is actually 12 into 25 is 300, 3, sorry, so 300 plus 25, 325 plus 25y square minus 150. Okay, it's better you take this whole term to the right. So 0 is equal to 9x square, 25x square minus 9x square. Then this 25y square plus 25y square minus 16y square. Now minus 100x minus 100x and 72 plus 72x. Then the y term is, sorry, there is a 150y in here, so that will be minus 150y plus 96y. Then this 24xy, when moving to the right, it will be minus 24xy. Then the constant term is this one and this one, so plus 325, taking this 144 to the left, I'll get minus 144. Okay, on the left hand side it is 0. Now simplifying this, you'll get 25 minus 9 is 16x square plus 25 minus 16 is 9y square. Minus 100 plus 72 is minus 28x. 150 minus 96 is 4. Then minus 54. Minus 54y. Minus 24xy. Now 324 minus 144 is 181 plus 181 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the parabola. Clear? Now let's do one more problem. Now this question is similar to the previous one. So we have a focus in here. It's 1 minus 2 and we have a directrix which is x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. I wrote it in the standard form. Now for a parabola, this distance must be equal to this one. That is PA equal to PF. So PA is actually, this point is actually x comma y. So x plus 2y minus 3 divided by root of the coefficient of x is 1. So 1 square plus coefficient of y is 2 square. Modulus is equal to root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus minus 2 whole square. So squaring both sides, I'll get x plus 2y minus 3 whole square by, see this is 1 plus 4 is root 5, root 5 square, root of 5 square is 5 itself, 5 equal to, on squaring the right side, this root is removed. So x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Now let me expand this. So this will be x square plus 2y square plus minus 3 whole square plus 2 into x into 2y, 2 into x into 2y, now 2 into plus 2 into 2y into minus 3 plus now this one, 2 into x into minus 3 equal to 5 times x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. I moved this 5 to the right. So this will be x square plus 4y square plus 9. 2 into 2 is 4xy minus 12y minus 6x equal to 5 into, upon expanding this I'll get x square minus 2x plus 1, that is the expansion of x minus 1 whole square, plus y square plus 2 into 2 is 4y plus 2 square is 4. Now let me write this side first. So this will be 5x square minus 10x plus 5, multiplying each term with 5. So 5y square plus 20y plus 20 equal to, this will be x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. So this will be 5x square and x square. It will be 4x square. Now 5y square and 4y square. I'll take this 4y square to the left, so it will be 5y square minus 4y square, so that will be y square. So minus 10x plus 6x, so that will be minus 4x. Now 20y plus 12y, this minus 12 when moved to left it will become plus, so 32y. Now this 4xy, when I move it to the left it will be minus 4xy. Then the constant term 5 plus 20 is 25. 25 minus 9 will be 60, equal to 0. So this is the expression for the parabola.